Hi guys, today I'm here with a new video. I'm gonna show today how to hack Subway Surfer. So let's get started. First, the first step you want to download is Lucky Patcher. First, go to your website, means your app browser. Then search Lucky Patcher. Select this option, uptodown.com. From this, click that and see you will get a download button over here. You can download. Then after downloading, go back. Then go to Lucky Patcher. This is how to hack Subway Surfer. So now search Subway Surfer. See Subway Surfer. Then go to the third option, open menu patches. Open menu of patches. Click that. Create modified APK file. Click on that. Then the third option. You can see this third. Then click this. Then rebuild the app. Then you go rebuild the app. Then it'll take some time. Wait for some few minutes, 1 or 2 minutes. It's on the process. It's going on. It's going on. Wait for some few minutes or few seconds. It will work. Sorry for that inconvenience. Sorry. It will work. It's on the process. It will work, guys. Please don't exit the video. I'll show you. Please don't. It will take some time. What can I do? That's the process. So don't feel like that. It's very slow, so I'll fix it. Please. It's working. It's on the process. You should wait. And don't click on the screen. See, it's done. It's done. Sometimes it comes here pattern 1 green color and pattern N2 green color. If there's no problem, go to file. Then click go to file, this one. Then click this install. If you don't have the app, then install. If you have, then uninstall and install. So this was the video how to hack Subway. Now I'm gonna show you what happens after hack. So let's open our Subway Surfer. Then wait a minute. This is the new version of Subway Surfer. Then you will go to shop and see it's hack. Store. See. Now it's 616. It will increase. Wait a minute. See 628. Then again I am gonna show you 6404. Then of keys also 650. 502 plus 650. You can add. See 8152. 802 plus 650. See 9452. See, so easy. You can complete your missions very easy. Go back, shop. You can do this also. See, you can buy as much as hoverboard you want. See. See, you can buy as many as mystery boxes. So you can skip missions. See, you can upgrade your jetpack, super sneakers, coin miner, and 2x multiplier up to full pack. Now you can buy your living tree. You can buy everything. See, I'm gonna buy. There was nothing. See nothing. Everything is wide. Now see. Every hoverboard is wide. See. That's the real working hack. So let's get back. Remove. So bye guys, please subscribe my video, please leave a comment and hit the like button.